I think you should do the Michael Jackson slide. I don't know. She's gonna be a dancer. Mia, you wanna learn how to dance? Yes? What? Oh, she's putting me out on the spot. Are you ready, Mia? What? No, she has to wait for the music, man. She has to get the music out. Ready?
Oh, I'll just record.
You gonna do your little ballerina? Come on. I don't even know what I'm doing.
What, you want me to dance?
Yeah. Mia wants
Say
you to
please?
dance.
No, no, no.
I'll hold on to it for you. Come on, I'm scared. These are the moments you'll
She's
look
telling you
back
to
on.
sit.
You want me to sit? You want me to hold the camera?
No.
What do you want? Oh, this is Daddy's?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, Mia. Okay, no más, okay?